Welcome back to Mushroom Foraging Adventures. As we were driving, we spotted some watercress, so we're gonna show you how to cook it and how to pick it. That's watercress. Good for soup, hot pots. Just gonna pick a little bit, not too much. We're in the kitchen now. We have a pork broth base, some water in the pan to give the watercress a dip in the pool, rehydrated noodles, roasted garlic, green onions. Let's get to washing these. You want to wash it pretty thorough because it was by the side of the road. So that's why we're going to dip it into the pool, a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, and then just toss that in there. Just like so. After you get done tossing it in there, you want to flip it over, give it a good thorough wash, let it simmer, and then pull it out and then strain it. You want to overcook these, so throw some cold water in there, making sure you get it thoroughly drained it again, and then it's ready for our dish, just like that. Yeah, my kids love noodles, so this is the perfect dish for them. That way they get their vegetables, their meat, and like I said, they love noodles. Perfect dish for them. And guys, this is my attempt at doing some, cooking on my show. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I could use your support. And I'll see you in my other future videos of Forage and Cook. Thank you for watching. Bye.